Do you know the sequence of colors in the rainbow? Indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, violet, ultraviolet. Do you know every rainbow is a double rainbow? We don't always see both. Do you know the colors of the outer rainbow are inverted? This field behaves like a spherical prism. Do you know every rainbow has another rainbow connected to it, and they come in different sizes? Have you ever seen a rainbow more than once in the same place? Do you know rainbows reside where we see them? Are you aware every rainbow is a full circle rainbow? Are you aware it is possible to locate a rainbow by spraying water with the sun behind you? The real rainbow is being focused down into the spray from behind or above you. Have you ever seen a horizontal rainbow? Are you aware that trees bow towards the rainbow? Are you aware the winds and clouds are not only attracted to rainbows, but are also created by the rainbow's mechanisms? Are you aware rainbows create your local weather? Have you ever seen the edge of rain? This is the reach of the rainbow's torus field. To learn more about Operation Rainbow Warrior, visit the APM Research YouTube channel. You can also join the Discord community, where you can share photos of rainbows, find additional details, and connect with fellow Rainbow Warriors in real-time conversations.